Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching CPA Hacks. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, now we are in the path of 1 week challenge to earn $1,000. Okay, today is the day 2. Yesterday in the day 1 we have seen what is CPA marketing, how CPA marketing works, and what are all the procedures for CPA marketing. Okay, and this is the video 2, day 2. In this video we are going to see about where to get CPA links, which platform will be best to work, what are all the things you should do, and what are all the things you should not do. Okay, so this is a simple video but very important video because many people are entering into CPA marketing field but they are not getting the full idea of CPA marketing. Without getting any basic knowledge they are entering in the CPA marketing and they are not getting succeeded. Okay, first we have to get the concept of CPA marketing from A to Z, then only we have to start our practical works. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's move on to the video. Okay, where to get CPA links? Actually there are many platforms for CPA marketing. You can use any of the platform, but some websites will give you instant approval for your CPA marketing work, and some website won't get you instant approval because they will ask you for your website link. If you don't have a website means definitely they won't accept you to their platform. To getting a website it's easy, but many of the people won't have their own website. Okay, if you don't have a website means don't worry, I will give you my hosting link in my description. You can buy from there also. Okay, you can buy any WordPress. I will give you the cheapest hosting place. Okay, if you are interested you can buy it and you can apply for the CPA platforms. Okay, which platform will be best to work? Actually it's not about the best platform or a worst platform. Okay, any platform you can take, any platform, any link, but the main thing is your ideas, your ideology. Okay, if you use your perfect idea to a perfect track means definitely you will get succeed in the CPM marketing. Okay, it's not about the platform. Any platform is, it's up to you. Okay, what are all the things to do and what are all the things do not do, we'll discuss this on in the end of the video. First I'll show you some platforms to work on CPM marketing. Okay, this is CPA Grip. Okay, and this is OG Ads, this is Max Bounty, and this is AdWork Media. Okay, for an example I'm just showing you 4 websites. Okay, these 4 websites are best to work and they are giving many tasks in this websites. Okay, you can access to any of this. Okay, so these are all little examples of websites. Okay, for example CPA Grip, OG Ads, Max Bounty, and AdWork Media. Okay, and next things to do. Okay, for an example let me show you in this CPA Grip. Okay, let me get an offer. Okay, for an example let's pick an offer. Okay, you can select any country. For let's see in India itself. Okay, in India. Okay, for USA, let's go for USA, United States. Okay, so this is United Country States leads. Okay, for installing a mobile application they are paying out 41 cents, for this mobile installation 81 cents, for a email submission, a zip submit $2, for this also same $2. Many offers are they are giving. Okay, you can pick any of them. For an example let's pick up this, just copy this link. Okay, after copying this link you can promote it on social medias. Okay, like Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Okay, any things you can do, but you should have your landing page. Okay, without landing page you should not place your affiliate link directly, which means CPA links directly. If you send your CPA links directly to any website means you won't get the payout. If the customer have been submitted their tasks also, definitely you won't get paid. So please think it in mind and catch it. Please don't submit your CPA links directly. Okay, this is the first thing you should do. Things do not do. For an example, if you're picking up the CPA link means, uh, if you are, for an example, you're using WhatsApp. Okay, for an example, you are using WhatsApp means you have your any of your client are from United States means you will send the link to them. Okay, if you send the link to them, they will click and they will submit the tasks, but you won't get paid because it's a direct link. And another big mistake you are doing here worse means, if you send the link directly to someone and if they click the link means your CPA platform will directly block you. Instead of not paying you, they will directly block you. Okay, if you get blocked from that website means you cannot use any another accounts. Okay, you cannot use that account again. Definitely you will be disabled for lifelong. So this is the main thing you should not do. You should not place your CPA link directly to any social medias or any websites. Think it in mind. Then you will ask a thing, what should we do? Landing page or content locker? Okay, landing page and content locker is the main heart of the part in CPA marketing, because landing page is the heart of CPA marketing. If you have a proper landing page and if you have a proper design in your landing page means definitely this will give you instant um, earnings in CPA marketing. Okay, so how to create a landing page and which is the best landing page to use, and how to make a content locker, how to attract the customers, everything we are going to see tomorrow with practical works. Okay, on the day 3 we are going to see about A to Z about landing pages. Okay, tomorrow is the important video. Please don't miss it, guys, and subscribe my channel and like my channel. Please share to your friends who are all needs in CPA marketing. Okay, and let me see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. or 5:30. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.